Good evening, everyone. I'm Kausar Jasmine from Mechanical Third Year. Today, my topic is about implementation of FMS in automotive components. Implementation of FMS in automotive component production. Introduction to FMS in automotive production. Flexible manufacturing systems, FMS, are automated production setups designed for high adaptability. They enable automotive manufacturers to respond quickly to market demands and product variations. Implementation FMS can significantly enhance manufacturing efficiency and competitiveness. Benefits of implementation FMS in automotive components. Let's see. FMS provides increased production flexibility and reduced changeover times. It improves inventory management by enabling just-in-time manufacturing. This system enhances quality control through integrated automation and real-time monitoring. So it improves the inventory manufacturing by enabling its reduce changeover times and provides increased production flexibility. So the system enhances the quality control through integrated automated and real-time monitoring system. Key components of FMS in automotive manufacturing system. Here, material handling systems such as conveyors and automated guides vehicles like called as AGVS. Automated machining and assembly stations equipped with CNC machining and robots. Centralized control software for monitoring, scheduling, and managing production processes. Here are the flexible manufacturing system components, outlines or introduction of the automated machines and assembly stations. It's centralized and control system for monitoring, scheduling, for material handling, such that conveyors and automotive vehicles. Steps involved for planning and designing FMS. First step is conduct a detailed analysis of production. We should have to analyze the production when requirements and the product variety, and it takes about the volume also. Design layout consider machine placement, material flow, and space optimization. It requires to check the space optimization, how much space does it occupies, and design layout considering machine placements and how much material did they needed in production and planning of the designing periods. Next important for is select the appropriate automation technologies and integrated them into overall system. So automation is very most needed in the planning and designing sectors. These are the program planning. Next, let's see about the implementation process of FMS. First of all, installing the hardware components, including machines, robots, and material handling equipment, which is required to install like robotics, machines, and material handling equipment. This is most a very important installation process. Develop an integrated control software tailored to specific production needs. It is more important to develop and important to integrate control software systems to specific production needs. These are the conduct testing and calibration to ensure systems performance meets quality standards. It develops the systems where installing the components including machine automation which is required to develop the product by using real equipments which placed in the automation system. It develops and integrate control system software tailored to specific production needs. There are more application notes in implementing the process of FMS. It is developed to integrated control software tailored to specific production needs. This conducts the test and calibration to ensure the performance meets quality standards. Quality is main important in production. Where production stops, It ensures the developing of the product. Let's see the challenges in FMS implementation. There are more challenges to face in the FMS implementation process. Highly initial investment cost can be a barrier for many automotive manufacturers. So first, to design and to produce a product, we need requirements, equipment requirements, so equipment has a high initial investment cost, so that it varies for many automotive manufacturers. Integration with existing legacy systems requires careful planning and expertise. The expertise skilled person is needed to operate the systems, operate the automotive systems, operate the equipped systems. For integrating with existing legacy, it is more updated to ensure the high initial investments for many automotive manufacturers. Training personnel on new technologies is essential but can be time consuming. Yes, it's a point that main time consume is required for more production quality unit. It integrates with existing legacy. Yes, system requires careful planning. Why? Because if any repair will get, it costs more high than the initial investment cost. So high initial investment cost can be barrier for many automotive fractures. Training personnel on new technologies is essential but can be time taking, time consuming process. These are the challenges in FMS implementation. This is the what we are facing in challenge of implementation of production is it's a integration with the transfer. Training personnel on new technologies like investing costs can barriers, automation and equipment required in itself depends on quality investment cost. Strategies for successful FMS development. Let's see first point. Engage multidisciplinary teams early to align project goals with operational capabilities. Prioritize scalable and modular solutions for future expansion and upgrades. It is implement comprehensive staff training and change management programs. It is more prioritized to engage multidisciplinary and scalable modular solutions for teams early to align project goals, implementation comprehensive staff and training changes management programs through the prioritize future expansion and upgrades. These are the strategies for successful FMS deployment. It is more initialized to prioritize and implement comprehensive staff and multidisciplinary terms early to align project goals with opportunities. Case study in FMS in automotive component production. These are an automotive supplier integrated FMS to produce complex engine components. The implementation reduced production lead time by 30% and minimized defects. The system allowed for quick configuration to accommodate new product designs. These are the famous Gesture Geo Weldy and automotive supplier integrated. The implementation reduces and then the system allows for the quick configuration to supplier integrated FMS to produce complex engine components. These are leads to time by 30% and minimize the defects. This implementation reduces production lead and also the system allows for quick accommodated new product designs to reconfiguration. This is the about the case study which studies the automotive component production with an automotive supplier. Implementation reduced production system allows for a quick configuration to accommodate new product cycle. These are the system analysis of FMS in automotive supplier integrated components. Let's see the future trends in FMS for automotive manufacturing. Integration with the Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT, Internet of Technologies, and artificial intelligence for smarter manufacturing. Increased use of collaborative cobots to enhance flexibility. These are the integrated with industry for smarter manufacturing. Continuous advancements aim to further reduce cost and improve system responsiveness to integrate with the industry of 4.0. These are the future trends which is increased to collaborate robots, cobots to enhance flexibility to continuous advancements aim to further reduce and reduce cost and improve system responsiveness and also seize the quality of the Let's see the conclusion and key takeaways. Implementing FMS in automotive component production offers significant operational advantage. Success depends on through planning, investment, and skilled personnel training. Embracing emerging technologies will ensure manufacturing systems remain competitive and adaptable. This is foremost important conclusions. This implementing of automotive components production success where depends on through the planning training. Embracing a systems remain competitive and adaptable manufacturing systems using ensure technology. Thank you and have a nice day.